Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone, you see an error that you cannot create an Apple ID. Your iPhone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. Contact Apple Support to request another Apple ID to use with this iPhone. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here and you have to check that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, try to update your software. Again go back, go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, select recent network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select recent network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, so if there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you will not get the issue again. Or this, the second way is that you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your app store, or you can use Apple Support web. Select your iPhone from here, then select this more option, and here you have to look for App Store, and then wait for this loading. Select this get more help, then select call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.